Welcome back to the channel for part 2 of an awesome project we did in the Friendly Acres neighborhood in Greensboro, North Carolina. One of the unique features of this project that we really loved, I love to work with it, is this natural stone here. These slabs are really heavy, very sturdy. The lips hang over about 2 to 3 inches. They cover up the lights underneath. Each one of these slabs started off at around 8 feet. We hand cut them to fit each section as we built these stairs up. And another feature that we really liked with this wall was the curvature in them. The matching curves on the entryway to the steps that lead up to the second part of the yard, curving around here. Then the wall kind of straightens out a little bit, which we talked about in part 1. It comes down here, it's going to curve back around and then go back in to this other wall, which is part of the retaining wall for this ramp, which is really unique. So we have the steps over there, but there was no way to get any kind of mowers or bicycles or anything in and out of the shed up here. So we came up with this idea to build this ramp so they can get things up and down and have access to this upper part of the yard with any kind of equipment or lawn mowers. And of course the kids can get their bikes out of the shed, come down here and go out and play. And that is the completion of another awesome project. We really love doing this job, from the curvature, the design, the ramp, the steps, the lights, the caps. If you found this video informative or even entertaining, give us a like and a subscribe. And as always, let Pro Earth come out and make your backyard your favorite room of the house.